We are, I would say, quiet right now, but really that rain is kind of loud depending on when it heads through your area. But we do have a lull coming up soon, Matt.
Yes, it's quiet, and then all of a sudden it's crazy. It's like
there.
you're in a washing machine for
Yeah.
a second. And then it kind of goes back to quiet. But I want to show you where it's most active and where these storms are headed next.
If someone is doing my laundry somewhere, I'm okay with that.
Go for
Just
it.
So you know.
That's right. Well, you could probably
fold it and put it away.
Oh, that's what takes the longest,
I
though.
know.
You're looking live outside in Franklin where you could be doing your laundry right now. Look at that wind whipping around the interstate. This is at State Road 44. My goodness, the rain's coming down. These are not severe storms, but they're kind of close. We have wind gusts from 45 to 55 miles per hour with this line that's marching to the east by about 40 miles per hour. Right now, the southern end of the line is the strongest, but it is headed towards Richmond, Rushville, Connorsville, Columbus. You're going to be next, Greensburg as well. But let's go ahead and zoom in to show you where the storms are. Newcastle, Trojans, we've got a huge downpour coming right over us right now. Knightstown, we're getting soaked. Right over Morristown, we're getting the heavy rain, and coming up towards Shelbyville, we're next. The rain's starting to pick up and it's about to get a lot heavier in a moment. While it's starting to quiet down, still kind of steady, but not nearly as crazy as it was in Greenfield and New Powell to Greenwood. Franklin, there we are. This was where the camera was, right through Johnson County, heavy rain pouring on through. In Bloomington, along the interstate, we're drying out just a little bit with the heaviest downpours on the east side of the city coming right there towards Brown County. Bedford, we've got heavy downpours coming for you. Those are headed to Seymour here shortly, and Columbus in just a little bit. Around Indianapolis, the storms are done, but we still have some rains, and that'll continue around the suburbs as well. Carmel, Fishers, Brownsburg, Avon, even there towards Greenwood. Some isolated scattered showers will continue for the rest of the morning. Then the cold front hits, will dry out the rest of the day, but another storm. See that one off towards the south and west? That comes in this weekend. And I'll tell you, we've got chances for more rain and possibly some snow showers. Right now, no snow showers. It is way too warm, but we won't stay warm throughout the day. We have nice southwest winds right now, even some 60s. Looking at you guys in Shelbyville, 62 also in Muncie. But northwest winds will be taking over and will actively drop. Most of us will be in the 50s by the time we're headed to school. And I think for most of us, we'll be drying out. I mean, there could still be some spotty showers. We'll be dry for lunchtime and recess, but 50s for recess. 40s by the time you're headed home. Every time you go outside, it'll be a little bit colder. I think right there in the heart of the afternoon will be about 48 degrees or so. Then we get to the weekend, and we'll break this down here in just a little bit. But on Saturday, a cold rain's going to move in. And then I think we'll change over to some scattered snow flurries Saturday night and Sunday. January is making its big comeback. Julia?
Matt, thank you. Well, a crackdown by IMPD on speeding drivers. This comes after traffic enforcement stopped